Sorry for the pain in the butt tonight, everyone. All right, here we go. Bowman Chrome 115 from eBay. Good luck, everyone. Anybody else been out Easter shopping, picked up a bunch of candy? I was brought home some Starburst jelly beans. Oh, I think I have a new addiction. I sat there and ate half the bag earlier. Those things are so good. Got Pence, Sanchez, Nebo, and O'Neal. Nebo. Richards, Pagan, Williams, and Marlett. Nathan, Cruz, Noah, and Molly. Segura. Yimi Garcia, blue. 40 of 250. Going to the Dodgers. That is Jobville. Nice card. Nottingham and Feliz. Wheeler, Desmond, Martin, and Patton. Trout, Cobb, Marin, and Gretzky. Bogarts, Hamilton, Alvarez, and Burns. And what is going on? I haven't seen a refractor yet. It's the one blue. Buckholz, the Cabrera. Bowman is back. Ramirez and Silva. Yes, they do, Aaron. Like I said, I have a new addiction. Got a Cespedes, Polanco, mini refractor. For the Pirates, Eric, H-I-L, Palka, and Mondesi. Freeman, Molina. First hit is Juan Silva. On card auto going to the Reds. Eric 3562345. Not numbered. And a Reynoso. That's what I was going to do with it, Aaron. Man. What's going on, Reggie? And a Greinke. Springer and Walker dueling die cuts. It's going to go to the Astros. Farmer Boy Shane. Taylor and Wendell. I had to find a use for that gum somewhere, Aaron. Tulo, Trumbo, Cooney, and Garcia. What is going on? How come we haven't gotten a single refractor yet? Chapman, Miller, Ben Lively. On card auto. Another one going to the Reds. Eric 356. And Reed. Both autos going to the Reds. Jones. Sanu. Fire die cut. Is not numbered. Going to the Twins. Josh, F-U-L. Urena and Thurman. Beltre, Brown, Winkler, and Velasquez. This has to be one of the crappiest boxes of Bowman Chrome ever. Paxton, Ventura, Stankiewicz, and Overton. We got her a bunch of base. Santana, Tim Hudson, refractor. 201 of 500. Kingham and Wilson. Solarte. Brian McCann, purple. 89 of 150. Let's go into the Yankees. Eric, 356. That Tim Hudson is going to the Giants. That is 4-tier. And a Margot and Nunez. That's going to do it for Chrome 115. Eric, that's you? You just crushed that box. Cal just posted something for everybody in the blog description stating what's going on with our cart. I don't know much.